We're trying to support the people in Tibet who are also marching at this minute and also dying one by one. Death toll, what I heard, went up to about 200 Tibetans. And as you know, that United Nations and United States and all the whole world is watching, not doing much about it.
Tibetans and supporters gathered here in front of the Chinese Consulate in New York at around 9 a.m. this morning. And they started peacefully protesting against the Chinese rule in Tibet and what's going on in Tibet. So all of a sudden, a lot of NYPDs came here to suppress the peaceful protesters. I think there are about more than 500 protesters here. And when the riot broke up, some 6 Tibetans were arrested and taken by the cops.
Hey,